Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is busy. It's an A1 level adjective, meaning occupied or engaged. So, what exactly does it mean to be busy? Well, it simply means that you have a lot to do, you're engaged in various activities, or you're not free to do something else at a particular time. Think of it as the opposite of being idle or having nothing to do. Now, let's delve a bit deeper. When we say someone is busy, it implies that their time and energy are being consumed by tasks, work, or other commitments. For instance, a doctor might be busy with patients all day, or a student might be busy studying for exams. It's a very common word that we use all the time in everyday language. Let's look at some synonyms for busy. We have occupied, engaged, and involved. All these words convey a similar sense of being actively doing something. Let's see them in action with some example sentences. She's occupied with writing her novel, so she can't come to the party. See how occupied conveys that she's deeply engrossed in something. Another one is he's engaged in a very important project at work. Here, engaged emphasizes active participation and focus. And finally, they're involved in several community projects. In this case, involved suggests active participation and commitment. Now, let's flip the coin and explore some antonyms for busy. We have idle, free, and available. These words describe the state of not being occupied or engaged. Let's illustrate these with examples too. He was idle all afternoon because he had no work to do. Here, idle suggests a state of inactivity. I'm free tonight, so let's go out for dinner. In this case, free means not having any obligations or commitments. And lastly, the doctor is available to see you at 3 p.m. Here, available signifies being accessible and not occupied. So, how can you use busy in everyday life? Well, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it to describe your own state, like I'm really busy this week with meetings and deadlines. Or you can use it to inquire about someone else's availability, such as, are you busy on Saturday? Would you like to grab coffee? You might also hear common expressions like as busy as a bee, which means extremely busy, or keep yourself busy, meaning to find something to occupy your time. Let's try some more usage examples. The shop is busy during the holidays. This shows that the shop has a lot of customers. She's too busy to answer the phone right now. It means that she can't answer the phone because she's doing something. He's always busy with his hobbies. This means that he always spends his time on different things. They have been busy preparing for the event. This demonstrates that they've been working hard to get everything ready. It was a busy day at the office. This suggests that there were lots of tasks to do at the office. So, to recap, busy is an adjective that means occupied or engaged. Some synonyms are occupied, engaged, and involved, while antonyms include idle, free, and available. It's a word we use constantly to describe our state of being, inquire about others' availability, and even in common expressions. It's a truly busy word in the English language, isn't it? Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word busy helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn more about the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Now, I have a fun challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word busy and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see your creative examples. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the power of words.